Is there any minimum lock-in period for the funds which we are going to invest in the startup?
Generally, it's not there. We have, as per our mandate, we don't lock in the investors. But in certain scenarios, when a startup is coming to us with pre-existing conditions, because their existing investors might have done like that you have to lock in the investors who are coming in. So it might be 1 year to 1.5 years generally. But again, nobody knows. In certain cases, it could go up to 2-3 years as well. But generally, for our startups, we never. If there is no pre-existing condition, we don't have such kind of condition.